Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you all. Okay, how are you all? Okay, very nice. That's really nice if you all are very fine. What are you holding in your hand? A shopping list. How many things have you mentioned in the shopping list? 1 or 10? 10 list. Can somebody read out the content in the shopping list? क्या कोई इसमें से रीडिंग कर सकता है? क्या है शॉपिंग लिस्ट में आपकी चीज़ें? You can read. Start reading loudly.
Sugar.
Okay.
Chocolate. Number 3 popcorn.
Nice.
Number 4 eggs.
Okay.
Number 5 pasta.
Hmm.
Number 6 bread.
Hmm.
Number 7 lemons.
Oh wow.
Number 8 packet. Number 9 2 liter of oil. Number 10 1 dozen bananas.
Is it dozen or dozen? Dozen. Mashallah. Clap for this boy. Okay, stop. Did you enjoy making this list? Did you enjoy while making this list? Enjoy किए थे आपने? Okay, that's really nice of you. Thank you all. Say thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Great.